Attention, fellow Amazon sellers. Today, I bring you an extraordinary success story of one brave seller who fought against the mighty challenges of Amazon and emerged triumphant. Picture this. You're an Amazon seller facing a grave threat to your business, a hijacker attempting to steal your empire. The stakes are high, and you're desperate for help. But fear not, for within the walls of Amazon Sellers Lawyers, we are dedicated to protecting your business and your peace of mind. Today, I present to you the remarkable account of Jake Wagenman, a warrior in his own right. He found himself teetering on the edge of despair, his biggest listing in the clutches of a merciless hijacker. Enter Marisol Lake, Vincent Famularo, and Robert Segal, brilliant minds who won this case. They understood Jake's pain, and they swiftly rallied to save his business from the brink of disaster. Together, they formed an unstoppable force. Guided by their unwavering dedication, the team at Amazon Sellers Lawyer placed Jake at the heart of their mission. They listened intently, delved into the intricacies of his case, and devised a formidable plan of action. Jake became our top priority as if he were the only client we had. Within days, a robust case was built and a strategic plan took shape. The team knew the inner workings of Amazon like the back of their hands. They identified the department that would listen, relentlessly pursuing justice on Jake's behalf. And then, in a moment of triumph, the hijacker's reign came crashing down. In a remarkable display of legal prowess, our team swiftly reclaimed Jake's listing, restoring it to its former glory. The victory surpassed even our wildest expectations. So, my fellow Amazon sellers, let the story of Jake Wagenman inspire you. Embrace the power of Rosenbaum and Segal, PC, the defenders of your Amazon empire, as we stand united against the challenges that come our way. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what Jake himself had to say about his experience with AmazonSellersLawyer.com. This team is incredible. Marisol, Vincent, and Robert Segal not only saved my business from being stolen, but they saved my mental health as well. Understatement of a lifetime. So if you're facing a similar battle, don't hesitate to visit our website at AmazonSellersLawyer.com. There, you'll find a wealth of resources, success stories, and a dedicated team ready to fight for your business. Reach out to us, share your story, and let us be your shield in the realm of Amazon. Contact AmazonSellersLawyer.com today, and together we'll rewrite your success story.